Step inside, take a look around. This gem of a flat's the best in town. Just a stone's throw from London Way, in Dunstable, where dreams might stay. Brand new wires, brand new pipes, floors that shine in morning light. Heavy doors, safe and sound, feels like peace has just been found. It's not just a flat, it's a fresh new start, with every corner made from heart, modern style. I'm strong inside, in this lovely spot, you'll want to reside. Safe and sound, the neighbors kind, a quiet street you're glad to find. Come have a look, come take the ride. This home is waiting, with doors open wide. Full effort, not a thing was missed. From sockets to floors, it's top of the list. The plumbing's new, the lights all gleam, like walking into a perfect dream. Double glazed, secure as can be, and just a skip to Luton Sea. Commuters joy, investors win, a cozy flat to move right in. It's not just a flat, it's a brand new life, with comfort cutting like a knife. Stylish touch in every room, a place that truly starts to bloom. Close to shops and countryside, nature and city side by side. First time buyers, couples too. There's a little bit of magic here for you. So don't just scroll, come take a peek. That one's too good to let it leak. In Dunstable, your dream awaits, behind those strong and stylish gates.